This time we're gonna get him, B.
Okay, rod down. Now up. No. You pull up now. Reel down. Now up slow. Now reel down. There you go. Up slow. Now reel down.
Keep your pole up. Don't look at me.
Let him go.
That's that big one.
Yeah, that's that big one. Now start reeling.
Hey, don't give me any slack, bud.
Do like you're doing. You're doing great. You're doing great. This is a big one, Gary. He can't even pop that thing. Do like you're doing. You're doing good.
Just had that dipper ready, Jay.
On the side of the ice or not? I can't tell.
He ain't screaming drag.
Easy, B. Don't pump him so hard. You know, just keep steady pressure on him. It's all right. Just working. Let's tire him out so he leaves.
No, not real.
It's all right. That's good. This is good practice for you, bud. You can't beat this practice. This is the best practice.
Lift up like we were showing you. Now reel down to him. Reel down to him. Now lift up. Now reel down to him. There you go. There is a big one.
Just work him slow. Work him slow, B.
No, don't stop. I can't
Here, good. You want to hold this?
I will. This is
This is B.
I'll take your rod. Watch out for that heater.
This is the one. Look at that. Look at that. It is almost as tall as you are. Put your finger up there in his mouth.
That's one just broke me off.
I'll put two of them.
That's what I'm doing.
All right. Slide them up in there. Okay. You want me to get good? 'Cause it's still on video mode?
It's still on video, so I don't know.